Fernando García del Molino was born 23rd of March 1813, Santiago, died 1899, Buenos Aires. He was a Chilean-born Argentine portrait painter, miniaturist and lithographer. Many of his portraits were done from photographs or daguerrotypes. He created most of his best-known portraits, including those of Manuela Rosas, Encarnación Ezcurra, Rosas himself and many more of those in his immediate circle. He visited Rosas' home in the Palermo District so often, that he virtually became the governor's official painter.